Hey guys, I want to talk about this Threfelipur hunting, camping, fixed blade knife. This was sent to me for testing and review. Really like it so far. It has this carbon steel blade, has this black coating to protect it, keep it long lasting. Has this nice fiberglass handle, very comfortable. Nice hard case sheath. This has a belt loop that you can press this button, flip it up, and secure it to your belt. You can also lock this into place so that it doesn't open up. If you want it to open it up, you just switch this button forward and press it down, and then you can unlock this sheath holder. Very sharp out of the box, cuts its paper, as you can see here. Very sharp blade. If you need to cut wood, very sharp. Use it for butchering, any kind of hunting or camping needs. Cuts rope, really nice. Again, very sharp blade. Very happy they sent this to me. Really like it so far. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.